Welcome to Bedtime Japanese. Tonight, let's walk down a quiet country road and meet a gentle stone guardian watching over travelers. Our first word means stone.
Ishi, ishi.
Let's hear it in a sentence.
石の像を見ます。
If you travel through Japan, you will often see small, round-faced statues wearing red knitted bibs. This is Jizo, a beloved Buddhist figure. Our next word means red.
akai, akai.
Let's hear it in a sentence.
赤い布を着ています。
Jizo is known as the protector of children and travelers. Local people care for the statues, offering flowers and dressing them warmly against the cold. This word means child.
kodomo, kodomo.
Let's hear it in a sentence.
子供を守ります。
In winter, villagers sometimes weave straw hats to keep the snow off Jizo's head. It is a quiet, beautiful act of kindness. Our next word means snow.
yuki, yuki.
Let's hear it in a sentence.
雪が降ります。
Even as seasons change and centuries pass, the gentle stone faces remain, offering a peaceful smile to anyone who passes by. Our final word means smile.
笑顔、笑顔。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
優しい笑顔です。
May you also feel safe and protected as you rest tonight. Sleep well and sweet dreams.
おやすみなさい。